Hello, I'm Rock, brand manager for Lanikai, and today we're going to cover some of the features and advantages of our Lanikai 8-hole style bridge. As you know, the traditional tie is very common with ukuleles. We also have a quicker way to put the ukulele strings on. So I'll show you both ways, and we'll get started with the traditional tie. You'll notice for each string there are 2 holes. So go into the right hole, pull the string through, get just a small section of string at the end, go around the string, go make a loop around again, and possibly again, but as long as it's holding the end of the string here, you'll see that it will secure itself. That's a traditional tie. As you tighten the string, it tightens down on itself. And now we'll show the Lanikai 8-hole style. You go into the left hole, take it through like this, and create a tail here at the end. So once you have that tail created, you can hold it down, bring it around. You're going to go through the right hole. Go under the string and push it right into the right hole and pull tightly, and it is completely tight, ready to go. You can clip the end as needed, but it makes for a very clean, quick string change. The advantages of the Lanikai 8-hole bridge obviously is it's faster. It makes for a very clean look. So once you're finished, you don't have all these ends hanging out. But also, it makes for less excess string to stretch out. As you know, with the traditional tie, there are many wraps and through several tunings that has to stretch out. You don't need that with this. This is much less string to stretch out, so your instrument stays in tune. More importantly is the fact that with the 8-hole tie, there's consistent angle on the saddle. This consistent angle on the saddle is consistent to the bridge, also consistent to the top. So your string changes sound the same every time. When you tie with the knot style, the knots are in different areas. They might not be pulling down with the same force. So with every string change, you might be changing the tone of your instrument. With the 8-hole, that standardizes all of that. So those are several of the reasons why we use the 8-hole style bridge. But again, if you prefer the traditional style, that's an option for you too.